Audi A4 ECU cloning and repair. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a rather complex but fascinating automotive repair job. We have a 2019 Audi A4 on the bench, and we are going to tackle a common yet tricky issue involving the engine control unit, or ECU. The reason we are getting involved with the ECU today is a specific fault. This vehicle was experiencing a barometric pressure sensor fault. While that might sound like a minor engine management issue, on this specific model, it had a very annoying side effect. It was causing the air conditioning system to stop working completely. The initial diagnosis pointed toward a faulty ECU, so our goal was to replace or clone it. However, as you will see, things didn't go exactly as planned, and we had to pivot our strategy. Let's get into the specifics of the hardware we are dealing with. This Audi A4 is a 2019 model, and under the hood we have the engine management system made by Bosch. The specific Bosch part number is O261S11902. This is a very common unit found in the VAG group. The software version running on this unit is MED 17.1.61. This is a crucial detail because the cloning process often depends on the specific bootloader and security algorithms used by the software version. The Audi specific part number for this unit is O4E907309R. To perform the cloning operation, we are using the multi-prog tool. This is our primary device for reading the flash memory and EEPROM data from the original unit and writing it to the donor unit. So the initial plan was straightforward. We sourced a second-hand ECU from the local market that had the exact same part numbers. The idea was to perform a full clone. Cloning means copying all the data, the engine maps, the immobilizer data, and the VIN from the original unit and writing it onto the donor unit. This would effectively make the new ECU behave exactly like the old one, allowing the car to start and run without needing any adaptation or coding from the dealership. We connected our multi-prog, read the data from the old unit, and successfully wrote it to the second-hand unit. At this point, we were confident the job was done. This is where things took a turn. We installed the freshly cloned ECU into the Audi A4, and the car failed to start. We had a classic no-start condition. This is the nightmare scenario for any technician working with ECU swaps. The engine would crank, but it wouldn't fire up. At this point, we had a choice. We could spend hours trying to diagnose why the car wouldn't accept the cloned data. Perhaps it was an MO mismatch or a hardware difference we missed. But we needed a reliable and efficient solution, so we decided to abort the cloning mission. We removed the second-hand ECU and put all the original data back onto it, essentially restoring it to its stock, uncloned state. Now we had to focus on fixing the root cause of the problem on the original ECU itself. We stripped down the original ECU and performed a detailed visual and physical inspection of the printed circuit board, or PCB. This is where the hands-on part of the repair begins. We inspected the solder joints, the voltage regulators, and the pathways leading to the barometric pressure sensor. Instead of replacing the entire unit, we carefully repaired the damaged traces and possibly resoldered some cold joints on the PCB. By targeting the physical hardware issue on the board, we were able to eliminate the barometric pressure sensor fault without needing to change the unit. Finally, we put the repaired original ECU back into the Audi A4. We cleared the fault codes, turned the key, and the engine fired up smoothly. The air conditioning kicked back in, and the barometric pressure sensor fault was gone. It was a successful repair. In summary, while cloning is a powerful technique, sometimes the hardware itself forces us to go back to basics. Instead of fighting the no-start issue on a clone unit, we reverted to the original data, repaired the physical PCB, and solved the problem definitively. If you enjoyed this technical breakdown, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have faced similar issues with the MED17.1.61 platform. Thanks for watching.
ये पहले इस तरह से नहीं था, अब उन्होंने पता नहीं क्या किया क्या नहीं। ठीक है, फ़िलहाल हमारी गाड़ी ठीक है, मैंने लगा ली है। अब मैं इसको सील करके तो लगाने लगा हूँ।